Right people, so we are on our way to arguably one of the most expensive fuel garages in the UK. Now, for those who have not seen, go back and see the previous fuel tests. We've done one garage so far, which was the Asda, and that was pretty much spot on 5 litres. We then did the Shell garage, which to be fair was under what we got at Asda, but more or less within an acceptable tolerance, given the fact that we are not using accurate measuring devices other than a line on a jug to see whether we get more or less than the 5 litres that we are supposed to be dispensed. Now, we are off to this petrol garage now, which is on a motorway services, and it is a BP garage. Now, we don't know what we're going to find. It is absolutely horrible out here. It's freezing cold. We will check the temperature when we get it back to the unit and measure it in our new 5 litre Sealey measuring jug. Now, I have got the Ray-Bans on, so we'll get to see. So no phones are going to be used at the pumps. So we'll be using the Ray-Bans and we'll be using the camera. I'll do the same thing again. Make sure there's nothing in the hose. We then fill it in the container, 5 litres. I'll show you the receipt, time, date and everything. And then we will see if one of the most expensive fuel garages in the UK is dispensing 5 litres. Because a few people have messaged me to find out whether their stories are correct, with them saying that they'll pull the trigger and sometimes it doesn't get dispensed for a few seconds. So we are going to see if that is what we find when we come here. So this is obviously the Medway Services, which is like a welcome break moto type situation, and then the BP in question. So how much a litre will this garage be? So we've had 134.9 and 135.9. Wowzers, this is 157.9 per litre, so a good 22 pence per litre more than the previous tests. Wow, but I wonder if we're going to get 22% more fuel, which I highly doubt. Well, I can't believe how expensive this is. So if we take it from what we had previously at 134.9, that is a whopping difference. 22, 23p per litre more expensive. So that means technically I'm going to be literally over £1 more expensive. So we've had 2 tests so far, £6.75 and £6.80 for 5 litres. And it is a BP station on the M2 southbound. So we will see, but it is a queue, which is strange because for a petrol garage that's so expensive, you would expect to be able to just come in, get your fuel and go, because not many people will be using it. But there is an absolute queue to get into this station. Right, so let's have a look to see what we have got. Oh. Right, as you can see everyone, fuel test, look, see that? Absolutely zero coming out of that. Yeah, completely empty. So we want 5 litres. So if we lift this up, 157.9. Now, I've got to try. So we've got nothing coming out of there. Oh. Got to try and get 5 litres in here. See if we can do this without spilling anything. Oh, we're going to do this. Right, so we've got 5 litres in here. Look, nothing out of there. So 5 litres. And that is £7.90. So £7.90. I'll go and pay for that now. Right, so 5 litres of fuel, £7.90. Let's go and see if we've got 5 litres of fuel. Well, that is the quickest I've ever dispensed fuel. The weather is absolutely horrific out here and freezing. So we had to quickly stop. We got the fuel. We're going to get it back to the workshop and see if we've actually been dispensed 5 litres. But what a difference in the price. That's over 23 pence a litre more expensive than Asda is. And Asda's literally like 2 miles down the road. We have got potentially 5 litres from the most expensive fuel garage that I think I have been to for a very, very long time. Crazy money. But what we will do in this test, I'm just going to quickly measure the temperature of the fuel. Now, we were in a situation because there was 5 pumps down to 2 and everyone was queuing to get fuel. And I was shocked. Like, how can you pay that much a litre for fuel? So, let's have a quick look what we got here. I've got a fuel temperature reading of around 6 degrees. Agreed? 6 degrees. I reckon fuel is measured at 15 degrees. So we potentially got a 9-degree difference. Now, introducing you all to the calibrated 5 litre jug. And what I'm going to do, just for backlight, we're going to use the torch. So let's see. And I've had it all done. The scales need to go that way. We've removed the scales. The spirit level needs to go that way, not that way, to make sure there's no tilting and all that. But listen, guys, we're not worried about a few millimetres. We want to see a cast iron, yes or no. Are we getting 5 litres or are we not? So, are you ready? The most expensive fuel in the UK. Oh, how do we do this? What do you reckon? Are we going to see 5? Or is everyone going to turn around and say, he spilled it? Damn, this is really expensive fuel.
Don't spill it.
I'm trying not to, but I'm smiling at the same time. Can you see the lines on the side? Can you see?
I was going to say 4.5 litres, but...
Liquid gold right there from the most expensive fuel garage in the UK. Can you see? Are we down to a drop or 2? Look, are we happy? Are we happy?
I think that's all out.
Right. Now, that is pretty much spot on 5 litres. So the question is, if you pay more per litre, do you get more? So that is freedom. So this is one of the most expensive fuels in the UK. All 95 RON unleaded petrol. So we have had an Asda garage checked, Shell, which was the least out of all of them in terms of where the line measurement was. This and the Asda, absolutely spot on. So we move on to the supermarket fuels now to see what we get. But I want to say a massive thank you to everybody who has sent in constructive criticism on how we should do things. We just started off this test for entertainment purposes only. Yes or no, are we getting 5 litres? But a lot of people have said if you pull the trigger really fast, you get less. If you do it a lot slower, which is obviously what we have to do with a 5 litre jerry can, we can only do it. If I go really fast, it's going to come out, it's going to go all over the top. But a lot of people have said to me, Dan, can you test ethanol content? And we can. But let's get a conclusive answer on whether we are getting 5 litres or not. And then we'll go to the next phase to see what sort of ethanol content we get in our fuel. As always, guys, like, share and subscribe. And we're moving on to the supermarkets. Who do you think is going to be the best? And who do you think is going to be the worst of the supermarkets.